In this video, I am going to solve this system of linear equations using the substitution method. Even though, as it appears, both of these equations have fractions in them, actually we can simplify it and use the substitution method to solve these types of equations. Before we go further, let me just outline what it means to solve a system of linear equations. Let's say I have an equation that's represented by this line, another equation that's represented by this line. Then solving the system of linear equations means finding the coordinates of point of intersection. That's what it means. It's always the case. Now let's go ahead and try to simplify these given equations. What we are going to do, we are going to try to get rid of the fractions in both of these equations. So in the first one, the LCD of 3, 4, and 6 is 12. So I'm going to multiply both sides of this equation by 12. 1/3 x times 12 plus 1/4 y times 12 is equal to 1/6 times 12. Now 3 goes into 12 4 times. 4 times x is 4x. 4 goes into 12 3 times. 3 times y is 3y is equal to 6 goes into 12 twice is 2. So this first equation simplifies to this, and the second equation, this one, I can simplify it. LCD of 15, 5 and 15 is 15, so I'm going to multiply 1 over 15x by 15 minus 2 over 5y by 15 and 1 over 15 by 15. And if I do that, on the right hand side 15 and 15 cancel out, that gives me just 1, and then 5 goes into 15 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6, is going to be 6y, and in front of it is negative. 15 and 15 cancel out, that gives me x. So it becomes x minus 6y is equal to 1. So x minus 6y is equal to 1. Now this system is equivalent to this system. Now if we solve this, and this is going to have the same solution set. Now this one is very easy to solve using the substitution method. From the second equation, I am going to solve for x. If I add 6y to both sides from the second equation, I get x is equal to 1 plus 6y. I just add 6y to both sides of this equation. Now I am going to take this value and plug it into this one, which is 4x plus 3y is equal to 2. 4 times 1 plus 6y plus 3y is equal to 2. Now use distributive property. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 6y is 24y plus 3y is equal to 2. Now 24y plus 3y is equal to 27y. Then plus 4 is equal to 2. I subtract 2 from both sides. 4 from both sides. Then I get 27y on the left, negative positive 4 cancel out, is equal to negative 2. Then I divide both sides by negative 27, not negative 27, 27. That gives me y, this 27 cancel out, is equal to negative 2 over 27. And that's my y. Now I can take this y value and plug it into this equation to get the x. So x is going to be equal to 1 plus 6y, 6 times y, but y is negative 2 over 27, which by the way is 1 minus 12 over 27, because 6 times 2 is 12, which I could further simplify to 1 could be written as 27 over 27. This one minus 12 over 27, which is 27 minus 12 over 27, which is 15 over 27. 3 goes into 15 5 times, 3 goes into 27 9 times, so it's going to be 5 over 9. So my x is 5 over 9. Now, if this equation and this equation are sketched by this, is a sketch, not the actual thing, this point of intersection will have coordinate x is equal to 5 over 9, comma, y is negative 2 over 27. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.